Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learner's Cobb app.
Hello friends. Today we will discuss about while loop and range.
Now we will discuss about while loop. Here while loop will continue the statements till the given condition is fails. It will repeatedly execute blocks of code. Condition should have Boolean expression. The syntax of the while loop is given here.
Friends, now we will see some program in while loop. Let us assume n equal to 1 and s for sum is equal to 0 and for multiplication m equal to 1. Now we are using while loop. While n less than 15, s plus equal to n means s equal to s plus n, and m into equal to n means m equal to m into n. Now n plus equal to 1. Now if we take enter means, now we will see some value s, enter means it is 105. From 1 to 14 it will get 105. We will see multiplication m equal to this value 87178291,200. By this I think it is useful.
Now we will discuss about range. Range is an inbuilt function which generates a list of integers as per below. If only one argument is given, then it is the endpoint of the list from 0 to end. Range of n generates a sequence from 0 to n1. If two arguments are given, then the first one is the starting point and the second is the ending point. Range of n1 n2 generates the sequence from n1 to n2. If three arguments are given, then the first one is the starting point and the second is the difference between the two consecutive integers and the third one is the ending point. Range, n1 n n2, generates the sequence of n1 n1 plus n n1 plus 2n. We will use these range function in the loops mainly. We will see the example in the following class. I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts, we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learner's Cobb app.